Hawkins here with Chicken Hawk Farmstead, and back at working on the aquaponics slash wicking bed system, whatever you want to call it. It's a little bit of everything, or both. So all those are set up. I got the big tub from downstairs. I'll put a little clip of that in case you hadn't seen where that is. It's been downstairs cycling with a little bit of flood and drain, keeping all the fish alive through the winter. They all made it, didn't have any losses until I transferred them to the holding tank where they are now. But I only lost one little minnow, no big deal. But I'll show you the other part and what we're getting ready to do, and then I'll come back when I got it done. Alright, so this is what we're working with. I'm going to try to get set up before I take off today and be done with it. We're setting this up. This is the little flood and drain system that was downstairs. Keeping it going because these are not ready yet, so I got to get soil in there, some more media in the bottom probably. But we're gonna have our return line around down through here, and this is gonna be flood and drain. It's gonna be mainly for a filter until we get some biological activity in all this. Plus that flood and drain has a bunch of herbs and stuff in it. Got rosemary, mint, lemon balm, there's a couple other ones. They were all packed in there, and everything did good last year out here, and the same little setup. So that's what we're gonna go with. Got our 140-gallon tank there. It's gonna go right here in just a second, and then we got to fill it up and get some fish in it. And I'll probably fill it up with regular water, let it sit for a day or two before I put the fish in it, or add some chlorinizer if I can find it. And like I said, we'll get that stuff cycling and filtering, so we'll keep all of our good bacteria that's in there alive. That's what we got to get done right now, and be back in just a minute. Alright, got that in place. The pain in the butt. So I might want to scoot it over that way a little bit. But yeah, I'll put my pump in here, and then I'll probably run it up in between there, out the back, and along the back, and it's gonna drop in all those inner parts. And then I'll come down underneath and come out right through here, and then intake in there. Our flood and drain right there. Same thing, we'll come up on the back side. We'll tee it off back there and dump it in. And hopefully we get that flood and drain cycle. With a little higher like that, I'm gonna put a longer piece on right here, extend it out, and hopefully get a little bit more better. Yeah, a little bit better siphon on there. And I already got the piece where I used to have it like that. So, yeah, like I said, this stuff made it through the winter, sitting in the basement, and didn't really have much grow. Kind of got some bleed over grow light from the other stuff down there, but not much. You can see the strawberries died back, and some of the peppermint. The lights were in the back, so that got it. The rosemary stayed. Still smells good. So, all right, start filling this up. Probably go ahead and get the pump. See if we can get this cycling. That's all I'm worried about today, is getting this working. That way we can keep those alive and keep that bacteria in there alive that's already got a good colony going. Because, like I said, it's been keeping this tank clean and filtered for all the goldfish for quite a while now. Alright, yeah, I'll be back probably with fixing that up. Alright, well this looks like it's about as far as we're going to get for the day. I got the pump running. I got it crudely ran across there. There's a lot more bends than I want. So I'm going to take some of these bends out hopefully and find a better way to run it. But right now I went ahead and I do got the flood and drain tray hooked up. Got to get it kind of worked out to where it's cycling right. I got it go ahead and flowing off to bleed some of that pressure off there and one of the tubes there. So not too bad. I got to figure out how to get this. I can run a straight pipe all the way down along there with little T's at each spot coming off. So it's gonna be my next one. We're gonna kind of look at that, and then I think I've decided I'm gonna take the rock here, or the lava rock, and we're gonna move it to the side, and I'm gonna put some corrugated pipe in here to kind of make a filler and make this a little bit taller. I'd like to get it to about here, because not all these are the same, even though they all got 2 bags. One of the bags was a little bit thinner than the rest or something, so. But that's probably gonna be it for today. We got water moving, so that's a plus. And I gotta give that at least 24 hours before I put any fish or anything in it. So all right, that's it, and have a good one. You gonna say bye-bye?
Okay.
Say bye-bye now.
No, I want to see.
So everybody say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And we're gonna put fish in here tomorrow, and you can feed the fish. And you have fun feeding the fish? Alright. Say please subscribe and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say please subscribe.
Bye.
Nah, good enough. Love you, bye.
Bye.